welcome to the second episode of my bridal makeup series, and in today's video we are going to be doing a Sangeet slash Mehndi makeup look. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you check out the previous episode, which is the Haldi look, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe as well. And guys, I'm wearing this blue lehenga, which you can check out on my clothing page on Instagram. Has the Insta handle, do check it out. And yeah, if you wish to see how to achieve this look, then keep on watching. I'm gonna start with spritzing this facial toner from Forest Essentials. I'm gonna wait for 10-15 seconds to get it a little dry, and then I'm gonna grab my Nivea moisturizer. And guys, you need to apply a moisturizer no matter whether it's summers or winters. You have to apply it, especially when you're doing your makeup and normally also. For the next step, I'm gonna grab my concealer palette from Forever 52, and we're gonna do some correction. So I'm gonna be using this darker shade to correct my under eye circle and the area around the mouth. So there are two ways you can do this step. Either you can use a orange or a peach corrector, or you can use a dark colored concealer like this. I feel the only advantage of using a dark colored concealer over the orange or peach corrector is कि आपको blending करने में easy रहता है, क्योंकि जब आप orange और peach corrector को blend करते हैं वो अच्छे से blend नहीं हो पाता है और वो mix हो जाता है foundation के साथ और oxidize हो जाता है और वो सब होने लग जाता है. And I'm also gonna use some here because I've got a little pimple and here as well. And guys, a lot of you must be getting lots of pimples because it's summers. So take good care of your skin, apply aloe vera gel, and make sure you wash it at least twice a day. I'm blending it using a small mini beauty blender from Pack Cosmetics. So today I'm going to be using this cream base from Kryolan instead of a liquid foundation. It's in the shade FS45, and I'm going to be applying it all over my face using this flat brush. I want to use as many different products as I can for this bridal series, so I'm using this cream base today. Then I'm blending it with a beauty blender. And guys, this is one of my favorite cream products because this is super light, easily blendable, and I think this is the Supra range. Kryolan offers two range, Derma and Supra. Derma is on the heavier side. Well, this one that I'm using is called Supra, and it is easily blendable, gives a really good coverage, and yeah, I really like this product. And I think this is for 300 rupees, so affordable as well. So you guys can check this out if you have dry skin like me and want a full coverage foundation. I think this won't work for oily skin because this is very creamy. I think the Derma range is for oily skin, and this one Supra is for dry skin people like me. And guys, one of you had a question, how often do we change our beauty blenders? So you need to change your beauty blenders every 3 months अगर आप इतना यूज़ करते जैसे मैं यूज़ करती हूँ तब. Otherwise आप चला सकते हैं इसको थोड़ा ज़्यादा भी. So the base is done, and I'm gonna do the concealer later like I always do, and we're gonna move on to the eyes. I'm priming the lids using my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. For today's eye look, I'm gonna use my Too Faced chocolate palette, and this palette literally smells like chocolate. I'm gonna start with the lightest shade in the palette and will set my concealer. Next, I'm gonna pick up this brown shade and will dust off the excess, and will use it on my crease. And you can see I'm going in circular motions, and I'm holding the brush from the very end. And guys, you can see I'm placing it at the outer corner and just blending it inside a little bit, not till here, just a little bit till the center. Next, I'm gonna pick the darkest shade in the palette, and I'm gonna pick it on a pencil brush and will apply it on the outer corners. You can see I'm only focusing the shade on the outer part, especially the outer corner, and I'm gonna create a curve here. I'm taking the same shade on my lower lash line, especially the outer part. You can always clean it with the concealer later on. On to the next step, we're gonna apply some glitter, but before glitter you need to apply a shimmery shadow, because if your glitter falls off by any chance, you have something to take care of that. So I'm gonna take this shade which is matching with my outfit, and I'll apply it on the lid. Now for glitter, I'm going to use this glitter palette from Swiss Beauty. This is around 500 rupees. And though these are pressed glitters, but you cannot apply it without a glitter primer or glitter glue. So I'm going to use this one from PAC Cosmetics. And I'm going to start at the center and see how it looks. And then we can move in the inner corners. I'm going to take this shade. And guys, this is so pigmented. Let's see how it looks on the eyes. I think I'm going to use my flat brush to apply this more precisely. And I think it looks pretty good. Again, I'm going to use the pencil brush and we'll take the darkest shade in the palette. And we'll define my crease furthermore. So I've applied glitter on both the eyes and it looks pretty good. Next I'm going to take this silvery pearly shade and we'll apply it in the inner corners. And again I'm going to take this shade for my brows on an angled brush. Guys, you can see I've started from leaving some space at the front, and yeah, I'm filling them in. Now I'm gonna take a spoolie and we'll brush it upwards. Now this way the color will blend in and it will go at the front as well. The brows are done and now we're gonna finish off the eyes. I'm gonna do my liner using this Tarteist sketch pen liner. I'm gonna start in the center. And as I go towards the inner corner, I'm gonna make this line very sleek. And you can see how defined this eye looks with the liner, and we are not going to do a wing. So I'm just gonna finish my liner. Next I'm gonna do a nude pencil in my waterline. This is from Wet n Wild, and guys, you can see I've spoiled my makeup from here because of the glitter, but I can fix this up using the concealer, and I'm used to doing my makeup in this order of foundation first, then eyes, then later concealer. But if you are trying to recreate this look, then make sure you do your eyes first. For mascara, I'm using Benefit's They Are Real mascara. I'm gonna add my lashes and we'll get back to you. So after the lashes, I'm gonna do my concealer. I'm gonna be using this NARS concealer in the shade Custard. And I'm going to use this brush to blend my concealer. This is from PAC Cosmetics. The number is 272. And I'll just press it. I'm gonna set my concealer with this loose powder from Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Light. I'm gonna use it all over my face with the light hand. And guys, I feel something is missing, so I'm gonna add this pink shade. So finally the eye makeup is completed, and I'm gonna do the rest of the face. I'm gonna use this bronzer from Cover FX, and let's do some bronzing. For blush, I'm gonna be using this blush from Makeup Revolution. For highlighter today, I'm using Mary Luminizer from The Balm Cosmetics. So after the highlighter, I'm gonna do the lips, and I think I'm gonna do a nudish pink shade. I'm gonna line my lips using this lip pencil from Color Bar in the shade Splendid Pink 010. To top this lip liner, I'm going to use my Huda Beauty Demi Matte in the shade Mogul. And this is the finished makeup, and I'm going to set it with some setting spray. And we're going to move on to the hair. So for today's look, since we have glittery eyes going on, I'm going to keep my hair straight. And I'm gonna be using this Cara Shine straightener to straighten them, and I'm doing it very randomly, not taking any sections. And now I'm gonna chip cow them. So yeah, I'm gonna keep them at the back so that the focus is on my makeup. And yeah, that's the finished hairstyle, and I'm gonna wear some jewelry. So this is the finished look, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, then make sure you like, comment and subscribe. And guys, see you next time with the most awaited look, which is the bridal look. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.